In 1875, during a period of rapid modernization in Japan, Shimadzu Corporation was founded here in the Kiyamachi-Nijo district of Kyoto City. Founder Genzo Shimadzu Sr. Kiyamachi-Nijo was at the center of Kyoto's efforts to promote industry and scientific technology at that time. Genzo, a craftsman of Buddhist altar fittings, studied here. He recognized the potential of physics and chemistry and started to manufacture educational physics and chemistry instruments that would help society by promoting a widespread understanding of science. In 1877, just 2 years after the company was founded, in response to a request from Kyoto Prefecture to raise interest in science education, Genzo built a hydrogen balloon from scratch and successfully launched Japan's first ever manned flight. This spirit of taking on challenges continues to be passed down today as part of Shimadzu's DNA. However, Genzo faced a difficult struggle. The physics and chemistry instruments were all things he had never seen before. Therefore, he had no choice but to create prototypes based on documents and illustrations obtained from outside Japan. Though the company continued to struggle financially, Genzo never gave up. Determined to develop production technologies in Japan, Genzo persistently overcame challenges based on creativity, innovation, and not fearing failure. At the end of the Catalog of Scientific and Chemical Instruments, published in 1882, it was stated that we can manufacture as many items as you need, clearly indicating that the company had the technical capabilities to fulfill any order. That passion for manufacturing was passed down to Shimadzu Genzo Jr. The greatest achievement of Genzo Jr., an extraordinary inventor, was the research and development of an X-ray system. He succeeded in producing an X-ray photograph a mere 11 months after the discovery of X-rays by Dr. Röntgen. Thereafter, he kept creating prototypes until, in 1909, he developed the first medical X-ray system made in Japan. Ever since then, Shimadzu has continued to make steadfast progress as a pioneer in the field of medical X-ray systems. He also developed various other products, such as Japan's first storage battery, a spinning machine, and industrial measuring instruments. Consequently, he helped build the foundation for Japan becoming a future leader in scientific technology. After World War II, Japan achieved a period of high economic growth, referred to as an economic miracle. As infrastructure rapidly improved in Japan, people became fascinated with high-quality products. It was Shimadzu's analytical and measuring instruments that helped ensure that quality. Shimadzu gas chromatographs achieved a prominent presence at research, development, and manufacturing sites in the petrochemical industry. In those days, Shimadzu gas chromatographs provided a major contribution to manufacturing high-quality petroleum products and developing new materials by measuring chemical components with exceptional precision. Furthermore, Shimadzu developed a vacuum quantimeter that dramatically improved the quality and productivity of steel products. A structural testing system able to apply 3,000 tons of force was instrumental in improving the earthquake resistance and durability of massive buildings and bridges. Actual structural members from walls, columns, and bridges were brought to this platform for strength testing. In response to the needs of that era, Shimadzu also started manufacturing aircraft components and support equipment, semiconductor manufacturing equipment, and other outstanding products to provide strong support for industrial growth. In 2002, it was Shimadzu who led the way in developing the potential of next-generation healthcare. The following year, Koichi Tanaka received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his team's development of a revolutionary method for accurately and simply analyzing macromolecules such as proteins. It was a moment when the world recognized Tanaka and his team members for their bold approach to facing challenges and their diligent efforts. Since then, Shimadzu has continued to help provide a healthy and comfortable life for people by releasing triple quadrupole liquid chromatograph mass spectrometers used widely in the pharmaceutical and food industries, as well as instruments that contribute to early detection and treatment of diseases, such as patient-friendly, minimally invasive angiography systems that offer high image quality. Shimadzu adopted a global perspective from an early stage. In 1923, a Berlin office was established to study advanced technologies. Later, sales, manufacturing, and development operations were established in San Francisco, Singapore, Shanghai, Sao Paulo, and other locations. The intention was to be positioned closer to users around the world, so that Shimadzu could quickly respond to the needs of each individual user. Since 2015, we have opened innovation centers in the United States, Germany, China, Singapore, and Japan as bases for facilitating fast and efficient collaborative research with partners around the world who possess advanced technology, and we are currently working to develop new innovations. Realizing our wishes for the well-being of mankind and the Earth. This has been our steadfast goal throughout our 150-plus years of existence. The DNA of taking on challenges inherited from the two Genzos, contributing to society through science and technology. With these beliefs in mind, which have remained unchanged since our founding, we will continue to face and overcome difficulties without fear of failure. Our story of taking on challenges will continue.